NECO application software. Ẹ̀yin yọ fóònù wọn ní láti dájú àbí. So Facebook app ní sí wọ́n ṣe purpose láti ṣe kí láti interact.
After processing, now give out the what? Information, give out results. Any kind of device, any device that do what? That do that three thing. The first one is that it accept and store data, abi. So don't be accepted and you see me on my processor, which means we work on that data. After that, it will now give out what? Information. So any kind of devices that do all those three things, they are referring to digital devices. So which means digital technology is the technology that involves the use of digital devices. Ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ nǹkan anything láyé tó bá ti lè accept data ṣe ń gbọ́ gadget electronic device ọ̀pọ̀ dandan ó lè jẹ́ kọ̀ǹpútà wíwọlé ó lè má jẹ́ kọ̀ǹpútà ó lè jẹ́ smartwatch ó lè jẹ́ aago ó lè jẹ́ calculator. So anything electronic device or machine that do all those three things, they are what? Digital devices. So now we will now be talking about the what? About digital devices. So now let me give the example of digital devices that you can see around. Over time, I made mention of example in your. Let me start from here. Let me start from your calculator. Your calculator, now if you want to calculate 50 times 50, you know you are going to press something, 50, abi. As you are pressing, the calculator is turning that what? Data. 50 times 50. After that, you press is equal to the calculator now will work on that data. Yours is loading data expressing. After working on it, the calculator now will bring the what? The result. They put the card inside the what? Machine. So but they put the other card see at input in here. Machine ti gba kini, ó ti gba data wọlé. So that machine now will now work on what? On that data tó ti ṣe kíni tó ti gbà wọlé tó bá ti wá work lórí rẹ̀ yóò wá yọ owó ibi tẹ́ bá input sí pé 50,000 mo fẹ́ ṣe kíni ni mo fẹ́ yọ 5,000 yóò wá ṣe kíni yóò deduct owó yẹn yóò ṣiṣẹ́ lórí rẹ̀ yóò wá give out receipt. So which means POS machine, POS terminal is a what? Is a digital device. Ṣé ẹ ti get round any device pé ṣe kọ̀ǹpútà nìkan ni kí ni digital device, any device tó bá dé pé yóò gba input wọlé yóò ṣiṣẹ́ lórí input yẹn yóò dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni yóò give information as feedback is a what? Is a digital device. Wọ́n yóò máa fún mi lẹ́sàmpù mo ti fún yín méjì ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ fún mi lẹ́sàmpù. Phone, smartphone, the phone now, like gbogbo wa nísìnyí là ń tẹ phone bóyá a fi ń chat ni àbá fi ń call so ọ̀dà nọ́mbà or send the number yẹn yóò ṣiṣẹ́ lórí nọ́mbà yẹn yóò dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni yóò send information igbó ti ṣe kí ni òun ti kọ́. So any kind of device they are referring to as what? Digital technology. So now I want to talk about example. I've given you the what? Example. Now I want to talk about hardware and software. So I want to talk about the what? Hardware and what? And software. So I want us to pay very, very attention. But I think attention that I tell them what they like the energy. But now I want you to pay a very much attention on hardware and what and software. Now any digital device wọ́n máa ń ní tán pè ní hardware. So hardware ẹgbẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wọ́n ti sọ yẹn náà fún yẹn rí ẹ̀rántí nísìn. So hardware they are part of the computer that can be touched. Àwọn part tá lè touch sí àwọn part tá lè ṣe kí ni ká lè rí pẹ̀lú ojú wa. So look at this example. This is a computer. This is a laptop computer. The hardware parts, they are the part that can be what? Touch. Like this now, this is the keyboard of the computer. We can see it. Sorry, can we touch it? So which means this part is a what? Is an hardware. Keyboard is an example of what? Hardware. Look at the screen. Screen is hardware. Can we touch it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Can we touch it?
Yes.
So which means the monitor is the screen part. It's also a sample of what? Hardware. This is the mouse part. This is the mouse that we use to control. Can we see it? Can we touch it? Can we see it? Our guys are going no. Can we touch it?
Yes.
So, Taba telephones or Dalesi, they are referring to what? Hardware. So, if you must say it, ẹ máa gbọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní participate ń bẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní ìsìnkìní so ló fi jẹ́ pé ẹ tètè máa sọ̀rọ̀ kálukú ètò káyọ̀ ti jára mọ́ so ṣẹ́tìrì báwọn. Now I want to talk about the software. So to be able to explain the meaning of software for you, I want to give you one analogy over something lórí ẹ̀. So I will use human body. Human body ibi èèyàn náà fi ṣe àwọn digital devices bí èèyàn ṣe ń ronú náà fi try láti make àwọn nǹkan yẹn. So I will now use human body. Bá a ṣe wà yìí as a body as a human being bá a ṣe wà yìí this body àti ẹ̀mí tá ní inú òun ló make kíni human being. Èèyàn tó bá ti kú somebody now that when a person die the body of that person will still be there. Ẹni tó ti kú sí ṣé orí rẹ̀ máa gé kò ní ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ nǹkan tí ọba ti bá fẹ́ ṣèlérí àwọn ara rẹ̀ máa ṣe kéde wọ́n máa fi àjò kí ló dé tàbí ló ti kú ló fi àbẹ̀ sí àwọn ọba wa because ìgbà ìṣe kò sí sóòlù bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ kò sẹ́yìn náà. So which means that our divide complete human being. That's why human being they are the faster human body, physical body divide. Other they can not there with you. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now, better than computer has its own soul. His own soul is the one that is referred to as what? Software. Everybody say software.
Software.
Again?
Software.
Again?
Software.
So software another part is software, which means if you have hardware, about the physical for the back, people sticking in bed, so send them. So if you going to work, so you are sent to school, you'll be thinking about how to become an engineer, how to become a lawyer, how to become a doctor. So your brain is being programmed to think such way. Wọ́n ti gbogbo àwọn sẹ́dá ń kọ́ wa sciences, gbogbo àwọn sẹ́dá ń kọ́ wa ní heart, gbogbo àwọn sọ àwọn kan yẹn náà sí kéde, ṣe náà ń bí ìjọ wa lé lórí. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now, for irú ẹni tó yẹ pé wọ́n send us to school sí pé kọ́ lọ kọ́ sẹ́yìn. His own brain is being what? Is being trained to become bóyá engineer àti ọ̀tọ̀ fẹ́ ṣe kí ni tó fẹ́ jù. So which means pé brain wa yìí ó ní purpose kọ̀ọ̀kan náà lè train kálukú fún.
Àwọn táwa bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìsìnkú wa àti láwọn program kan ní àti kọ́ lórí wa la fi ń deliver nǹkan tá a ti pè níta nǹkan yìí. So which means pé the system laptop, the system, the computer, the digital devices can be trained through a software to perform a specific task. Are you with me?
Yes.
Àwọn kankan bẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àwọn software kan bẹ gbogbo yín lè máa wọ́n kíní ẹ̀ tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fẹ́lẹ́ ṣàfihàn ìgbóyin náà lẹ́yìn. Software kọ̀ọ̀kan application software kọ̀ọ̀kan bẹ bí àwọn apps àwọn application tí wọ́n ti ṣe pé nǹkan báyìí láfẹ́ pé nǹkan kan máa ṣe kéde nǹkan máa ṣe ẹjọ́ máa kò ju ìwà gbogbo yín náà nǹkan máa ṣe transfer lórí báńkì àmàlí
Yes.
àbí
Yes.
bóyá ti UBA àbí ti GTB àbí.
Yes.
So tó máa fẹ́ transfer owó wọ́n sí application yẹn àbí wọ́n wá transfer owó láti lórí application yẹn bọ́ sí àkáǹtì yẹn. So irú app yẹn they design it purposely to make a transfer from one bank to another. Ṣé tí mo sọ yé báyìí?
Yes.